My sister.
Yeah? Why's that?
I mean, because she a big inspiration. Me and her came from the same house. You know what I'm saying? I chose the wrong route.
Okay.
She chose the right route.
Okay.
She's very successful, you know what I'm saying? And,
Right.
And I never been a dude that was not intelligent in school. I just wanted to go to the streets.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? So, you know, she been a real influence in my life. She been there through thick and thin, you know what I'm saying?
Right.
Whenever it was rough or whenever it was good, she was there.
What kind of role did your mom play in your life?
Well, my mama died when I was 12, so,
Okay.
you know, but that was like my best friend. Like, my mama
Right.
took me everywhere she went. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, and to this day, you know, I know that I'm going to make her proud.
You know what, and I'm feeling your story. Your story is so inspirational. You should really take that to schools, because there are a lot of young cats out here that's going through the same thing you went through.
We get up here and we say this, and
Yeah.
I'm going to say this to whoever's listening. A lot of people don't know what we went through to get this album done. Like,
Right.
we're all just giving y'all bits and pieces.
Right.
Like, right when I was on the come up and we was getting ready to go to London, you know, for to go overseas for my tour, we went and applied for his passport. And we went to the airport to pick up the passport. And everybody, like all kind of people jumped out. To make a long story short, they locked him up for something that happened a while back. But the man he said he just did 6 years.
Yes.
But what about maybe 8, 9 months ago, he was facing a life sentence. He got locked up,
Right.
kept him for like 6 months, but he was going to jail for life or he was coming home. But we prayed every night. He came home in the process. Slick got shot. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
And people didn't know that. And I mean, it was it was to get this album done. You don't even want to know about it.
Right.
But that's why I say, you know, giving back. It's like they ain't got to worry about that no more. I keep them with me. I keep them in the headlock. Like, this is what we gonna do. We gonna do the right thing. So when you hear these cats saying that, you know, this is what we done, we taking the bad and making it good. You know what I'm saying? It ain't like we glorify anything. It's like, this is where we came from. This is all we got. You know, each other. So that's where we at.
All right, USD clothing line, distributed by Rockaware.
8730.